How to lock and unlock your Costco Citi card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can lock and unlock Costco Citi card online. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up a browser. Then in the search bar, head over to citi.com. That's gonna take you to your official website. After that, make sure that you're signed in. If not, head over to login prompt, enter your ID and password, then click on sign on button. Once you're signed in, navigate to the menu bar at the top, then head over to services, click on services. Now under services, you will have all the other options. Again, head over to credit card services. Now under credit card services, navigate towards the card management. There's an option as log card. So click on log card. Now you will land on this interface. Here, your card is now locked. If you want to unlock it, you have to toggle this options here that says click to unlock. Once you click on it, your card will be unlocked. That's it. That's how you can lock and unlock your Costco credit card. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.